Well, growing up here is growing up in paradise. I used to be in paradise. Now the government giving a hard time for we sleeping and not know when we get up where what if we's owner or not. But aside from that, this is glory. Here where I am, it was given to me by my grandmother. When she made papers and passed it to me, I had 5 years. Now I'm 65 years and, well, let's say the 66. We used to be happy until they bring in this. Well, the refuge, the principal point of refuge, what we was fighting for, was good. But after the government and the other people and people from out get in and everybody looking for a junk and started to change up everything. Now he's not owner, not even caretaker. For if he's a caretaker, he can do a little to be surviving. So from owners, it's been going till now, becomes to be squatters. So I don't know from, in everything you're supposed to be going up, not down. But with this we are going down, for we are squatters now. Well, my grandparents and between my grandparents and us, about 300 years they've been here. I have this land. The dreams of this land is like what my grandmother had did. She passed it to me, I want to pass it to my kids to their kids. Tradition. We didn't know about selling. And the land, the value of the land is from one family to the next. Like I have this land, that's from my kids, and I wish my kids pass it to their kids. But they be owner. They be independent. And what's going on now, you're not independent for, the land is not even yours. So you can't pass it to our next one. The Indians have a word to say, an Indian without land is dead. Land is his life. For all of us, land is his life. For we are accustomed to be free, to plant, and to share. If you don't have land, it's like they cut your hand off when you're traveling around but no hand. We don't know what will be the end of us if we don't get things straightened out. At least, let's say I own here 60 years. And still I don't own it. For if I want to do something, I got to, you ask this one, you can do this, you can do, and everything they tell you no. And for you to do something, you have to be a millionaire for money here, money there, and still someone trying to stop you. Listen, the attitude of the government, it makes you think, let's say foolishly. You don't have no good thinking. We grow up as a Christian, we grow up loving, but they make you come crude now. You don't see a lot of smile again. If you are really serious with what you have and you care for your family, you cannot smile too much. For you don't have no basement. Nothing that you can say, oh, well, now they can't do this, or this is the law, and I can move by this, and that's my grandchildren or my children, and they is okay. For once your family is okay, you is okay too. But if you're scared and things is not right, you think every day, you go to your bed, but you can't sleep. And that's what we're fighting for. Let's see how far we can reach. And you can't believe much in it. A lot of people come around, yeah, we want to do this, and we want to do that, we want to help you. But everyone looking to see what they can grab. So if you don't open your eye, they push you down headway too. But the only thing I see with this little get-together is that the youth and a lot of people now, they're getting together and they're trying to do something. They're not with their eye closed and just don't care. So let's hope we have the strength and the good Lord help us to make things straighten out. For us, and for the one them that coming.